Okay, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery that is in the Seat, Volkswagen or Skoda key. It's one of these pop-up keys and they have a battery in them. It is a CR2025 3-volt battery, and they are really small, like a coin or something. That's what fits in this key. And you can buy them in any regular store that sells batteries. So I got the key and I popped up the key, you know, like this. And then the battery is in here, in this compartment right here. And I will get like a sharp object or get like a screwdriver. I got one right here. And I will pop it in here. Then I will bend. Yeah, let's see. It's kind of hard. You bend it like this. It's gonna pop like that. Let's see. You open it. It's gonna a bit struggle. The battery is in here, and this is where the smallest screwdriver comes to use. Let's see. I'll usually pop it in here and pop it up like that. Yeah. Flew right at you. And then I get the new battery, and it's you got 3 pins, 2 on the side right here, see, and then 1 in the middle, and you just get the battery, press it in like this, and it will pop right in when you click like that. And then you get this again, you put the key back in and you pop it like that. That's a tight fit. It works. It's nice. Try it out. Blinks. Yeah. Yeah. So that's how you replace the battery in your Seat, Skoda or Volkswagen key. Good luck.